Hi, hello, welcome back to Makeup Munchies. Today I am doing some shopping haul. I went to lifestyle store few days back. There I did some shopping where we can shop makeup, clothes, bags, footwear, jewelry, home decor and many more. There is a good deals and discounts in lifestyle stores. So if you are near to any lifestyle store, you can go and check it up. Before going into video, if you are new to my channel, hi, I make videos on beauty, food and lifestyle logs. Hit that like button, subscribe and tap the bell for all my upcoming videos. Drop a comment below too. Firstly, I bought this Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss in the shade 16 Rust. It has a beautiful glass packaging and we can see the shade through this glass packaging, so it is easy to identify the shade. And it has XL doe foot applicator, so it offers full opacity in one swipe. It is highly pigmented brick red lip gloss that delivers intense color payoff, and it is infused with hyaluronic acid. It hydrates and plumps lips for a smooth, fuller appearance while providing a high shine, non-sticky finish. And the formula lasts about 2 hours, though it transfers with eating or drinking. It feels lightweight like a lip oil and it has a very negligible shimmer. After shine is lost, it gives beautiful stain on lips. Coming to the price, its MRP is $7.99. There is 50% discount on this product, so I got it for $3.99. Then next I bought this Timex Freya green dial alloy analog watch for women. I actually bought it for gifting purpose. I loved this watch because of its design and features. It has a stylish green square dial in a slim gold tone brass case, and it has 27 mm case diameter, 7 mm thickness and 11 mm strap width, with a matching gold brass bracelet strap with crystals and some flower detailing print on the strap. It is suitable for casual wear and formal wear, and it is lightweight, water resistant and it has 1 year warranty. I didn't get any discount on this watch because it is a new collection, but there are many discounts on other watches. Next, I bought this hair clips for 149 rupees, and this quality is so good. I bought this for regular use. One is in black color and one is in brown color. I like the quality. Then next I bought some clothes for this festive season and coming summer season. I bought one cord set, one top and three-piece set. All are from brand Nero's. There is 50% off on all these dresses. This is red color cord set with a V-shaped neck and with some golden flower print detailing. It has 3x4 hands. It has some shell hangings which I loved much, and it get matching pant with elastic at waist. Then next I bought this half-white cotton top with V-shaped neck, and it is also having 3x4 hands, and there is some yellow lace detailing around the neck and bottom of the hands, and there is some black and yellow elephant print on the top. The cloth is so soft and it is comfortable for this coming summer season. Then next I bought this three-piece set. I got a cotton top, pant and dupatta. The top consists of V-shaped neck and 3x4 hands. We get a blue mirror detailing around the neck and some green flower prints on the top, and cotton green pant and a green dupatta. And the cloth is so comfortable and lightweight, and it is very suitable for this summer season. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press bell notification below. If you want any links, comment on below. Thanks for watching. Bye.